The reason why I decided to make the documentary Taking a Toke is because I'm a mom. I've coached a lot of kids in my town, and I also ran an exercise program for 13 or 14 years. And I noticed kids walking up and down the streets and plumes of smoke coming out of them. And that's just not okay. I smoked as a kid and I quit. I lost 2 parents to tobacco. My mother died of lung cancer and my father died of complications because he smoked his whole life. I have a family member that vapes. So vaping is a pack of lies and it's killing people.